let's get you the updates that are now coming in of that civic apathy as far as last week's incident where 3 students drowned in old Rajendra Nagar coaching institute. Now, the matter that has been heard in the Delhi High Court, the court which has questioned the number of arrests and the intention by the police. However, at the time when the High Court has asked the police not to arrest innocent citizens, and even when it comes to bizarre explanation that has been given by the Delhi police, as they say, that the probe was carried out under stress, as a lot of pressure that was also being built upon when it comes to the deaths and in the manner in which that these deaths were reported in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar area, and of course the kind of limelight that had also been shared when it comes to this entire incident that has been reported, and the police in a way suggesting that police has been trying to blame the media because of the pressure that has been built on them to carry out certain arrests. We have Akansha with us right now. Akansha, how is the court taking up the matter, because it seems to be pulling up every agency, including that to the of the Delhi police as well?
Well, absolutely. Delhi High Court is currently hearing a PIL seeking formation of a high-level committee to probe the Rajendra Nagar incident. Today, present at the court is MCD Commissioner and also the concerned DCP as well as the IO. First and foremost, Delhi High Court pulled up the MCD, going on to say that they have no respect of law. In fact, there is no respect of law by your department. This has gone too far. This cannot happen. And asking if the portion of the drain was in fact clogged, then why did MCD officials were not aware about it? After that, the Delhi High Court also pulled up the Delhi police, asking why they have still not questioned the MCD officials, going on to also say that there seems to be a brotherly love between them, and some government agencies have gone beyond the law, is what Delhi High Court said, and also going on to say that that mercifully Delhi police did not challan the water. This comment comes after Delhi police arrested the SUV driver who went past that road, in fact, and in fact there were charges of culpable homicide on him. Taking a drive at Delhi police, Delhi High Court said that that fortunately Delhi police did not challan the water. This is how Delhi High Court slammed the MCD and the Delhi police. This hearing is still underway in Delhi High Court, but in this hearing, most importantly, the judge hinted that they wish to, in fact, transfer this case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Let it be supervised by the Central Vigilance Commission.
That's a big revelation that is now coming in as far as seeking that if the CBI could directly intervene in this entire case is also concerned, in a way suggesting, as far as Delhi police is concerned, that there is a lot of stress over them, there is a lot of pressure over them, but there has been a big claim that has been made by the police in court. Now, the Delhi Fire Department, according to the Delhi police, was evasive. This is when the matter that has been taken up in the High Court, and here is the High Court telling the police that go to their office and seize files if this is necessary. Exactly what is this pressure theory, Akansha, that the Delhi police seems to be talking about in court, also mentioning that the fire department wasn't cooperative enough? Just getting Akansha connected, but this has been as far as in the High Court is concerned, because here the court seems to be pulling up the people who are responsible to carry out a free and fair investigation and a timely investigation. We are talking about, as far as the 3 deaths of the students are concerned, the IAS aspirants in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar area in a coaching institute. And when answers are sought from the Delhi police to investigate and fix responsibility as to who should be held responsible for the deaths of these 3 students, here it seems that the Delhi police in a way is fumbling and in a way trying to put the onus when it comes to right on the Delhi fire services as well, in a way suggesting in court that media too is responsible for building pressure on them so that they can carry out arrests as soon as possible. But the High Court doesn't seem to be buying the argument of the Delhi police so far. Let me go back to Akansha on this. Akansha, what is the Delhi fire services angle that the Delhi police is trying to question when it comes to the fire services in court?
Well, in the Delhi High Court is what we're getting to know, that the Delhi police made a big claim that Delhi Fire Service, the Delhi Fire Department remained evasive, is what the Delhi police have told the Delhi High Court. fact, it remains to be seen what context this was said. But as far as the matter is concerned, it is currently underway. And the most important remark that has been made by the Delhi High Court is that it wishes to refer this case to the Central Bureau of Investigation and want it to be also seen by the Central Vigilance Commission, going on to basically emphasize that they're not happy with the probe that is being done by the Delhi police, asking Delhi police why they have still not questioned any MCD officials. They have arrested the SUV drivers and other people in this case, but why not the MCD officials? In Delhi High Court judge, in fact, also took a jibe at Delhi police.
Let's talk about when it comes to the MCD as well as Akansha is getting us the information, because here the Delhi High Court seems to be pulling up the said authorities that are said to be responsible when it comes to the national capital. Let's talk about the MCD, as Akansha was also mentioning. The MCD commissioner, who was also summoned, in a way, the court is suggesting that mercifully you didn't challan the water as far as the MCD commissioner is also concerned, because the court is now asking the officers that they have to be alive to reality, and of course in a manner in which, because Akansha, it also rained just this week, 2 days ago. And again, when it comes to the situation that repeated in Old Rajendra Nagar area, where water was again flooded when it comes to several of those areas, the MLA himself was present on ground. This has been the situation, and the court is now pulling up even the MCD and the commissioner.
Well, absolutely. Delhi High Court has pulled up the MCD as well as the Delhi police, taking a jibe at Delhi police because they have, in the last few days, arrested 7 people in connected with the case. One of them was the SUV drivers who got the bail yesterday. So this is a jibe that Delhi High Court has taken. Mercifully, you did not challan the water. This is, in fact, a taunt by the Delhi High Court to the Delhi police because the main question remains, and this was in fact asked by the Delhi High Court, why till now no MCD official has been questioned by the Delhi police. And also the Delhi High Court said that there seems to be some brotherly love between the MCD as well as the Delhi police. As far as MCD is concerned, the Delhi High Court is definitely not happy with the agency. It has said that there is no respect of law by your department. This has gone too far. This cannot happen. At the start of the hearing, in fact, the judge asked why is the water getting accumulated in the area, because on 31st July also we saw how there was the entire street again got filled with water, and that is why this question was posed by the Delhi High Court judge.
Well, after which the MCD is one thing, because the court has been very serious as far as the civic apathy is concerned, and in a way suggesting that responsibility needs to be fixed. Previously as well, when the matter was taken up in the court had really questioned as to why the junior most officer was suspended. What about the senior most officials when it comes to the civic authorities? We have Swapnil Kothari with us right now. Swapnil, basic understanding here as far as the court is trying to pinpoint and to fix accountability. The court in a way has also been taunting about some sort of a brotherly love within the civic authorities and the Delhi police. The Delhi police says that it has been working under pressure because there was apparently media pressure and pressure also from the students that make multiple arrests. Is this the explanation that one gives to the court?
Well, this explanation is extremely bogus. It's an attempt to defend themselves or defend their own brethren, because it seems that many people seem to have their hands in the cookie jar. So to try to reduce the culpability and to reduce accountability and diminish it to a significant extent with showing complete apathy towards the 3 young lives when it really, I think this matter primarily needs to be taken up, Amitabh, seriously by the court suo motu. Because all these arguments are going to come, the students are definitely going to push for some arrests. There cannot be any pressure to arrest. There has to be a duty to arrest if there is lapses and if there are violations that result in deaths of people. So to use the word pressure, this is all legal mumbo jumbo, which I don't think the court is ever going to buy. No court, I mean, I'm not going to buy it. I'm sure the court is in its wisdom is not going to buy it, and the court will have to push the envelope because it seems that in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi does not seem to have any safety or security despite the promises made by the governing party in question out there. So this is all a hogwash, a complete muckrake of violations that take place every day with a gay abandon, showing complete apathy. And what perturbs me
in a way
most.
suggesting that the public memory is short and they may not remember, and as far as these three students are concerned, do they turn into mere statistics for the police and for the civic authorities?
You've hit the nail on the head, Amita, because the moment Times now lets its a pressure off the hook or stops reporting about it, because obviously it has to report many other things and many of their events that will take place in the future, this will be nothing but a statistical exercise, and somebody for just us to look back and say, well, somebody, when I was speaking to some lawyer that I was speaking to, I don't want to name, but, from the fraternity also, some people tell me that, Swapnil, I think, we are living in the real world. 140 crore की आबादी है, 3 गए तो क्या हो गया, कितने जाते होंगे, कितने का रिपोर्टाज नहीं होता होगा. I mean, in one point I felt कि नहीं यार ये आदमी को sensitivity है कि नहीं, but then I felt नहीं, जो बोल रहा है सच बोल रहा है कि sensitive, मतलब कितने का आप ये इसकी रिपोर्टाज कर रहे हो, जिसकी नहीं हो रही है उसकी क्या.
Well, that's the point, and that begs the question that do we need every time a court's intervention when it comes to matters like this for the people there and for the families there who are seeking justice, for the young aspirants? They wanted to serve the country, but in a way, how justice is now eluding them for now as far as fixing the blame is concerned. Thank you for that, Swapnil Kothari, because here, even as the hearing that is taking place in the Delhi High Court, we're getting live updates. Let's continue to share more with our viewers, because here, the Delhi High Court pulling up the Delhi police, and the High Court is telling the police that you didn't even call a minion. And this is as far as you didn't even challan water, thankfully and mercifully for that, because here they have been also talking about when it comes to a certain civic authorities as well not taking timely action. In a fact, when it is known that in Delhi at this point of the time in the season, when there is monsoons, there are rains, there is even an intense spell of rain causes waterlogging, and that causes a lot of inconvenience. And if there is waterlogging, of course that would cause traffic jams, but also on the other hand, waterlogging also poses a serious threat to the people at large, Akansha, because we have already seen, reports that are coming in of people being electrocuted, people drowning in open drains, and of course people dying in basements.
Well, absolutely, and that is why Delhi High Court today pulled up the Delhi police, asking why till now they have not questioned any of the MCD officials. In the last few days, we have seen token action by the MCD. Few engineers have been suspended, few have been terminated, but absolutely no MCD officer has been questioned by the Delhi police till now, and that is why the Delhi High Court, in fact, said that whom did you call from MCD, which official have you called? You have not even called a minion. To which Delhi Police Council asked the Delhi High Court to allow them to reply to this. Also, in a jibe at Delhi Police, the Delhi High Court said that mercifully you did not challan the water the way you caught hold of the driver, because in this case, as many as 7 people have been arrested. That includes the driver who got bail yesterday, but no MCD officials till now. But as far as MCD officials are concerned, the court is not happy with the department, saying that they have no
bizarre, the kind of
respect for
statements,
law.
and of course, when it comes to the arguments that are being posed by the Delhi police and also by the MCD, it seems that the Delhi High Court is not buying any of that.